In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your domain settings on Wix seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, understanding how to manage your domain is crucial. So let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First, we need to log into our Wix account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials, your email address and password. For those who might have forgotten their password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link to receive instructions on how to reset it. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is essentially your hub for all things related to your Wix sites. Everything from analytics to site management tools can be accessed from here. Take a moment to navigate to the section that lists your websites. Find and select the site that is connected to the domain you intend to update. It's important to ensure you're in the right place before making any changes to avoid any potential mix-ups. Now that you have selected your site, it's time to access the domain settings. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Settings. It's usually depicted by a gear icon to make it even easier to find. Once there, scroll down the page until you spot Domains. Click on this option to enter the domain management section. Here, you will see a list of all the domains associated with your account. It's an organized layout for managing multiple sites and domains without hassle. Simply choose the specific domain you wish to update, and there you have it. We have successfully navigated through the Wix interface to reach the domain settings for our specific site. Remember, having control over your domain settings can make all the difference in efficiently managing your online presence. Whether you're updating DNS records, renewing your domain, or just reviewing settings, these steps will guide you through. Of course, this is just one aspect of managing your website on Wix, but by mastering these basics, you're already well on your way to optimizing and maintaining your site effectively. Thank you for watching. And if you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, don't hesitate to let us know. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and until next time, happy site managing.